is form? Form is the way music is organized. It's the shape or pattern of a song, showing when parts repeat, when they change, and when they come back again. Just like a story has a beginning,
once upon a time far, far
middle,
away,
and end.
My hero.
The end.
Songs have parts too. Let's look at what these parts are and what they do. Intro. The intro is the beginning. It gets your ear ready, like when a story says, "Once upon a time." Verse. The verse is the part that tells the story. The words or lyrics usually change each time. Chorus. The chorus is the part that comes back again and again. It usually has the main message, and it's the catchiest part. Bridge. The bridge is the surprise part. It sounds different and gives the song a twist. Outro. The outro is the ending, the final melody, sometimes with words spoken or sung. While there's no set form for songs to follow, here's a pretty popular one. Hop in. Songs begin with the intro, and then to the verse, and from there to the chorus, and into verse 2, back to the chorus, and then the bridge, back to the chorus again, and finally the outro. Now let's look at letter forms. These are patterns you can hear in lots of music. Let's take a quick look at each of these.
Yeah.
Unitary form, represented by the letter A. One musical idea from start to finish, just as in this bugle call. Binary form, where A represents the first musical idea, and B offers a different musical idea. Ternary form, represented by letters A, B, and A. A introduces the main musical idea, then B brings in a different musical idea. Followed by a return to the first idea. Rondo form is represented by the letters A, B, A, C, and A. Notice that A always comes back. Listen to the main idea. Then B offers a different idea. Back to the main idea. C brings another idea. Then we return back to A, the main idea. And then there's strophic form, represented by 3 A's. Strophic form means the music repeats. Songs often change words, but the music stays the same. A perfect example of this is "The wheels on the bus go round and round." Now notice the music stays the same, but you can change the lyrics to "The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish." So in short, form equals parts and patterns. If you can hear the parts and patterns, you can hear and learn the form. Quick challenge. Listen to a song today and find the form.